Got an adventurous cat who loves exploring the winter wonderland? Here's how to keep them cozy when they're ready to come back inside. In this video, we'll show you how to build a simple insulated cat house using foam boards. It's easy, affordable, and perfect for cold climates. Let's get started. Does your cat also love winter walks? Then build them a warm waiting house for when they return from their adventures. Take sheets of extruded polystyrene foam and cut off the tongue and groove edges. You will need 4 sheets. In the US, this is about half a standard American sheet. Cut the sheets according to this diagram. Measurements are shown in centimeters. Convert to inches if needed. Use toothpicks to temporarily hold the walls in place. Cut a round entrance hole. Cut a passage in the internal partition. The house will have 2 rooms for better heat retention. Glue the walls together with polyurethane expanding foam adhesive. Attach the remaining walls. This is what the house looks like from above without the roof. Let your cat inspect their new dwelling. Looks like they approve. Attach the roof with the same foam. Press down the roof and place a light weight on top until it dries. Take the house outside and install it in its permanent location. Weigh it down with something heavy so the wind doesn't blow the structure away. The cat is already settling into their new home and doesn't want to leave. This is our parents' cat. They live in a rural area and their cat is used to going outside in winter and exploring the surroundings. But he's completely domesticated and always comes back home. Temperatures in this area drop to -40 degrees and it's very important that the cat stays warm while waiting for someone to open the door. At home, warmth, food, and his own favorite chair always await the cat. And these tracks we filmed a few days later. Now for a bonus, let's make a cardboard scratching post. Cut old boxes into strips of equal width. Mix flour with water. This makes a safe, natural glue. Glue the cardboard strips together, laying them tightly against each other. The glue is completely safe even if the cat licks it. Stack all the strips into a single pile. Attach cardboard edging on the sides. Clamp the structure with boards and tie with string until it dries. Here's what you get. Show the scratching post to your cat, they'll quickly figure out what to do with it.